All right, check it out. This is the battle rope workout for beginners. So we're gonna start it. All you're gonna do is 10 to 30 seconds. So obviously you're a beginner. This is the first go at the battle ropes. You do not have to kill yourself. So she's just gonna do vertical. This is Julia Glanz. She's our nutrition director. She's gonna do vertical simultaneous waves with a triple extension. Go ahead, banging it out about. So she's gonna do about 10 seconds worth, right? So 3, 2, and 1. Good. See, she's smiling. Her breath rate's coming up. Her heart rate's coming up. And then from there, she's going to do what you've seen freaking everywhere, but she's not going to stick her butt out, and she's not going to have too much tension in the rope. So notice she took a full step forward. She has slack in this rope. So if she pulls the tension out of the rope and she lets her hands hang down, they're going to touch, right? The rope is going to touch her toes here. That means she has room to move. So even if your waves don't make it all the way to the anchor, that is okay. So she's gonna go into now alternating waves. So nice, up nice and tall, hips up a little bit more. Yeah, feel the difference in your abs? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that smile. She feels the difference in her abs. It makes a huge difference. So we don't need to stick our butt way back. We want that anterior core engaged. Go ahead and rest. Right, so again, that was about 10 seconds. So she's now working shoulders, chest, back, biceps, triceps, and her abs, right, while she was in that taller position as opposed to getting down here. Then we're gonna work rotation. And with rotation, we're also gonna work in that frontal plane engagement with her lower body. So hips and down. So she's gonna take another giant step forward, give her even more room, and then she's gonna create kind of a sweeping motion, thinking that she's kind of swabbing the deck here, right, with her battle rope. So side to side. And then if you want more core engagement, again, she's gonna stand up just a little bit taller and she's gonna go a little bit faster. She's gonna speed it up, shorten that angle, side to side, speed, speed, speed. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful wind blowing beautifully in her hair. You see that? It's like she enjoys this rest. All right. So that was about 10 seconds, maybe a little bit longer than 10 seconds, right? Because we did the blowing hair comment and all that stuff. But notice we're resting long too, right? So she's working for about 10 to 20 seconds and we're resting at least 10 to 20 seconds, if not 30 seconds, 40 seconds. And then we're gonna hit it again because if this is a beginner workout, we don't need to kill you, right? You want to feel better after your workout, not worse. And so for this last one, she's gonna do rotation. So it's rainbows. It's gonna go from her hip. She's changed her grip now. It's gonna go from her hip, up and over to her hip. And with this, she's got a slight bit, what you can see is she has a slight bit of that triple extension. She has frontal plane, right, side to side happening, and she has rotation. It's working her scapular muscles, it's working her lat, it's working her shoulders, biceps, triceps, and rest. Perfect. So that's the workout. That's round 1. You're going to hit 4 more rounds at least. That's your battle rope workout for beginners.